Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a cheeky little haul. I've been shopping. I've got some essentials, I've got some hair, some skincare, I've got some makeup, I've got some clothing items, and I thought I would just share it all with you guys so you can have a little nosy at what I've been purchasing, because who doesn't love to be a little bit nosy? I know I do. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I don't know if you'll be able to tell or not, but I do have yet another cold. I will say cold loosely. It's a cough. The tickliest, most irritating cough that my husband kindly gifted to me that he caught on the flight. So that's great. I do have to have a hall soother in my mouth at all times at the moment, otherwise I shall choke to death. So I'm so sorry if you can tell that I have it in my mouth. I've tried to secure it like a hamster in my cheeks. So I'm so sorry, that is so rude of me, but it's the only way to get through this video, I'm afraid. So let's start off with this number. If you've been here before, you know what this bag is. Of course, it's Free People. Now, I was absolutely beside myself the other day when I went onto the Free People website, which I do daily, and I saw that they had restocked or re-released maybe the Clean Lines line. If you're not familiar, I am obsessed with their Clean Lines range. It's sort of basics, things like bodysuits, tees, tops that are just so comfy. A lot of them have built-in shelf bras, so you don't need to wear a bra with them. For me, these are just staples, everyday staples, particularly in the winter. I just find them the perfect layering option so that I don't have to wear a bra. Lots of things like vests and bodysuits, not they're long enough, they're stretchy, they're so comfy, but they have that little bit of support in the breast area. I don't know why I said that so dramatically. I was trying to be cool about it, but I failed. And I do have larger boobies, okay? I am a member of the bigger breast community, so these are perfect. I love them so much. I purchased 3 items. They do have some new colours, but these have just been out of stock for so long. I want to start off with this muscle vest is what I think this is called, or did I just make that up? We don't know. But this is like a sort of deep V, almost slightly cropped, stretchy top. I've got one on today. If you wear these as sort of designed with the V at the front, especially if you are a member of the committee, they are exceedingly booby. You'll be sharing your boobs with anybody who looks vaguely in your direction. They're going to be out there. Okay, so sometimes it's a bit much for certain scenarios. Parents' evening, for example, perhaps a little booby. But what I found recently, I was looking through the reviews, and this angel from heaven suggested that you can wear them. Sorry, my soother tried to break free. You can actually wear these backwards, back to front. So you can wear it this way and have a boat neck. Genius, that lady. Thank you so much. You saved my life, because now I can wear these everywhere, and I can either choose to be a bit risque or completely covered depending on the scenario. They're just so comfy. You don't need to wear a bra with them. They give you a little bit of support, and I just love them for under jumpers. Like today I'm wearing one under my jumper instead of a bra. It gives me a little bit of extra layer, and I'm just in love with them. I have that in several colours, but this gorgeous green, I had to have it. But some of my absolute favourites in this line are the bodysuits. So this is one of the boat neck bodysuits. Absolutely love this colour. It's just perfect everyday neutral colour, will go with everything. So comfy. Again, it's got that bit of support, built in shelf bra, so you don't need to wear a bra underneath. You know, in spring and summer I'll wear these on their own. In autumn and winter they can be under a jumper or under a cardigan, and they're absolutely perfect. So comfy. I did also order this shade of this bodysuit, but for some reason sometimes Free People, although you order everything at once, some things come quicker than others, and that one still hasn't arrived yet. So I did also order this stunning pink shade. Absolutely gorgeous. Can't recommend that line for basics enough. And as a 5'8", they never cut you in half. They're never uncomfortable. Perfect. The only PR package that I thought I would include in here, because why the devil not? We're here and it's a box, so I thought I would share it with you. Especially, I just realised I left my cupboard open. I'm so sorry about that. Especially as I chose this myself. So although this was sent and gifted to me, they did ask me if I needed any backups. And I said I would love. I already have 2 backups of the cleansing balm, so I'm good for that. But I did ask for a backup of a restock, I should say, of the Collagen Repair Cream. So this is a moisturiser. I am in love with this. I love this as my nighttime moisturiser. I think it's probably my favourite ever evening moisturiser. So rich and luxurious, but light at the same time, absorbs really nicely and quickly, so it doesn't feel like it's just going to be wiped off on your pillow, but so effective, so hydrating, just a beautiful texture as well. And I do love, you know, these pumps where you pump it up and it makes me feel bougie, what can I say. Next up we have a little cheeky Sephora order from me. Now, I don't know if you've been up to date with my hair saga, but since I moved, the water here is different. Apparently it's not as hard as where I used to live, but it is still hard water. So I think the change is not that it's gone from soft to hard or hard to soft. It's more so the specific type of water here is quite different. I had one of my friends explain this to me, who is an absolute genius at knowing about minerals and all of that stuff. And she explained to me that where I used to live, I think, is incredibly chalky. I think that's the right way around. And so was really dulling my hair. So what I found since I moved here is I have to wash my hair a lot more often. It gets greasier much quicker. And that's due to like the change in what is in the water here. So I've been researching what I should be doing. I already use a clarifying shampoo, but maybe not frequently enough. And I do like the one I have, which is the Living Proof one. It is supposed to be very good and I do find it very good, but I perhaps don't use it often enough. But I've been looking into what is like the best recommendation, especially for like this specific problem I'm having. And these were the 2 answers that I got. So the Pureology Hydrate line, I've gone only with the shampoo initially because I can't be separated from my Oribe conditioner. I just love that one so much. I don't want to try another one. And it's the shampoo at the end of the day that I need. So I just purchased the shampoo for now, the Pureology one, and also the Olaplex. This is specifically the clarifying Olaplex shampoo because again, I love Olaplex shampoo, the regular one. So I thought I would try out this one. I do find I have to use a lot of the Living Proof. That's the only downside to it. And I use such a tiny amount of the Olaplex shampoo. I thought, let's give these a try and see if they are better, and I will report back. The other thing I picked up is a new shade of the YSL Candy Glaze. I don't know if this is new or just new to me. I love these candy glazes, one of my all-time favourite formulas. And I realised there was this shade 44 that I don't own. So I had to rectify that instantly because I want every single shade of this ever. So here it is. It's like a sort of rosy pink, like almost a bit mauvey, a little pink for me, but in this formula I will quite literally wear any colour. I love it so much. And it's nice to have something a bit different to everything else that you own. So I instantly grabbed that, and that was my cheeky little Sephora haul. Moving on, next up, I ordered some new nail varnishes from OPI. You guys know they are my absolute favourite nail varnish brand. So this isn't a set, this is just how they package it when you order a few. And I was just really in the mood for some like new nail colours. I was getting a bit hungry when I was doing my nails the other day and thinking, you know, I want to use a different shade that I haven't used a million times. And so I went looking on the OPI website. First of all, delightful. This is like a smoky purple. I have a few shades similar to this. I just realised I moved my nail varnishes somewhere else. They're not there, so I can't help you. This is Endure and Allure. Forgive me for having naked nails, but I'm doing a treatment at the moment, like a strengthening treatment, and you have to apply it, you know, layer it every day. So my nails are naked for a few days. I can only apologise if you're one of these people who somehow really concerned with someone else's nails. Believe me, there's a few of them. Next up, I went for At Strong Last, which is this gorgeous, like pretty, almost salmony pink shade that I don't have anything like. I thought I would give this one a try. And then finally Shrimp Cocktail, which is one I've seen in lots of photos when I've just been scrolling and looking at other colours, and this is quite a popular one. I just felt like this was perfect for summer, quite bright but pretty peachy colour. There she is there. So those were my 3 picks. I feel like these 3 will see me through until autumn. And then actually this purpley shade is quite autumnal as well. And then finally a little Selfridges order. So satisfying. Try to do that as far away from the microphone as possible so as not to deafen you, but if it didn't work I can only apologise. So in here we have a little bralette. I did mention earlier I'm allergic to like real bras, but I do love a bralette, and so I wanted, one of mine is just like beyond repair at this point because I will wear them until they fall off my body. Anyone else get really strangely like attached to your bras? No, me neither. So I thought I, for unrelated reasons, would order or try some new bralettes. I've heard, I have some bras from Skims. I don't think I've ever tried their bralettes before, but I decided to give them a go. And so I ordered this one, which is like the sort of, what would you call it? Like a curved neck one. Not a plunge, really like completely unpadded, very, very stretchy, unwired. I flipping hate a wire. Why would a wire be anywhere near my boobs? I have no idea. So I'll report back on that one. But a really nice like rich chocolatey colour, which I like. And I also picked up one of the new Lisa Eldridge Liquid Silk Shadows. I just love these so much. And I've been like using them so much more lately. I don't know why, I've just really got into the habit of just loving them for like my everyday makeup. And I was sent a couple of the new shades, but not this one, which is Silvia, which was named for my amazing friend Silvia on Instagram, who is so kind and lovely and deserving of all of the exciting, amazing things. And I just think that's the perfect everyday shade. It's almost like a sort of mushroomy, taupey, neutral brown, so perfect for everyday like one and done shadow, which is what I love these for, that I had to have it. So I ordered this in with that bralette. Like, stunning, isn't it? Can't wait to try that out. And there you have it. I wasn't joking when I said this was a cheeky little haul. I really like sharing smaller hauls because I feel like a lot of the time on YouTube, all we see when we see haul videos is like immense piles of 56 boxes that are usually all PR. I did want to include that one PR package here because I did choose it and ask for it myself, but everything else here, you know, was purchased myself, and I am not buying huge hoards amounts of things on a regular basis. So I did just want to share with you like a more normal, relatable little essentials, things like shampoos, things that we all need and we all use, and a few little treats for myself because I feel like that's just a little more sort of representative of how I typically shop and my spending habits. So hopefully this feels a bit more like less intimidating, less daunting, less overwhelming of a haul than we sometimes see on YouTube. And I will be off to paint my nails. I don't know, I was intending to do my treatment every day for at least a week. I don't know if I can keep those shades off my nails. I want to immediately put them on, but I'm trying so hard because obviously, as you guys know, I had my really serious issues with low iron last year and my nails got really, really brittle. This hand is doing much better than this hand, this being my right hand, obviously the hand I use more frequently for everything. Also, we did just get back from Disney in Florida, so, you know, they take a battering on the rides because I'm hanging on for dear life. So especially when my daughter makes me go on Velocicoaster, I fear I lost like half my hand, not just the nails. But there you have it. That's what I've been purchasing in this last week. I would love you guys to let me know. What are you purchasing? What do you have your beady eyes on? It doesn't have to be new. I don't think there's anything actually brand new here. This is all sort of existing products that I've just wanted to pick up. So please let me know, what are you buying? Not necessarily anything new. Is there anything essentials that you're restocking? Please let me know in the comments section down below. But thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I would love to see you in the next one. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye 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 bye.